Alright, so here's a brief rundown of the boxes I posted yesterday for New Tool Day. Some people will remember my cast repair project I had here about a month ago. That guy down there. So the welder I was using I had pretty well maxed out the whole time. So I decided I was going to upgrade, plus the other one was on kind of long-term loan. Super grateful to Chad. Anyway, need a little more horsepower and water cooler. So water cooler's on back order, but it's on its way. The reviews of the Everlast 255 EXT were really good. I'd love to have a Miller Dynasty series, but this was a fraction of the price. I might get a fraction of the results, but anyway, had good results. I'm looking forward to trying it out. Time will tell. And some of the other projects, I had a repurposed axle, and everybody saw the tool post setup that I was using for the Fordham, or using the Fordham for. Works good. I've done it 100 times. Anyway, I needed a different wheel for that, which I didn't have. So anyway, got a new cup wheel that will fit my true tool post grinder. That same project needed some shaft collars. Got those, and part of that hub repair ate a lot of consumables. Not this. This is actually part of the axle. 1/4 inch. Instead of dressing one of my wheels down to 1/4 inch, I chose to just buy one. Didn't have one. Might as well buy one. The hub repair ate a lot of consumables. I burned up some 1/4 inch carbides. Anyway, yeah. So just kind of restocking there. And one of the other jobs that I do is the spindle repair that I braze up, and I've been going to final size with telescoping gauge. I like telescoping gauges, and they're fine. I mean, we've all used them, but that particular job has a fairly tight tolerance, and I wanted something with a little bit more repeatability. Long story short on that is I ordered a Mitutoyo off of eBay, and it was trash. Anyway, I took it out. Gave it a quick look over. It had stake marks on it. Long story short, I sent it back, got my money back. They were great to work with, no problem there. Worst part, well, sorry, but it came, it came out of Canada, and then dealing with customs going through Canada, and what wasn't too bad. I've had more trouble in the past. Anyway, so I bought another Shars. We'll see. Should do fine. Repeatability seems good. This one come with the ring, so that's fine. That's good. I'm looking forward to that. And Edge Technology centering bar. No real reason other than why not. I didn't have one, so yep. And then last but not least, oh no, it isn't true. I got some more stuff behind me. This is just a high pressure air compressor, good for 4,500 pounds. Pre-charged pneumatic air rifles, filling scuba tanks. Anyway, yep. So get that up and going. I've just been running off a scuba tank and having it filled at the local dive shop. So about time to buy a compressor. Inexpensive, but yeah, it'll come in useful. And then on the other side, so the Tig Welder, the coolant, or excuse me, the cooler is on back order. So waiting on that. I'll just run an air-cooled torch for right now. So of course I had to get some antifreeze. Well, that's like gold right there. Then they wanted $120 to ship it to Alaska. Anyway, ton to that story, but there it is. I ended up with 4 gallons. Again, long story. And then the other thing that I've always been kind of short on in the shop is ventilation. So I'm going to run a pretty basic exhaust fan through the ventilation, temporarily type stuff, up here in the corner of the building. When I've got long welding projects or I'm cutting smoky material, the shop gets smoked out pretty quick. So I'm gonna run the fan, and then the big box is just the flexible line, and I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, there's the tool haul. Yeah, all right, appreciate everybody watching.